Podcast Simple Mind Space. Main topic, the current stage of the U.S. economy and potential risks and challenges. In today's podcast episode, we are going to discuss the current state of the U.S. economy and the potential risks and challenges it faces. Our YouTube channel aims to help people master their money and their minds by providing clear and actionable advice on investing, building wealth, and making smart financial decisions. We also delve into the importance of mindset, discipline, and personal growth, showing viewers how to achieve their goals and unlock their full potential. Our channel makes complex topics like cryptocurrency and the stock market easy to understand, and we often share inspiring stories and unconventional wisdom from successful investors and entrepreneurs. Whether our viewers want to achieve financial freedom, learn about cryptocurrency, or simply improve their lives, our channel provides the knowledge and motivation to make it happen. Today's podcast episode centers around the main topic of the U.S. economy and its current stage. We will explore the concept of stages, with the U.S. economy currently being in Stage 5. Stage 5 represents a period of massive internal conflict and growing disparities within the country. This internal conflict can lead to populism on both the left and right sides of the political spectrum, as people fight for their own interests. Additionally, external powers may see the U.S. as weakened by its internal conflict and may take advantage of this situation to make their move. There are three main forces to keep an eye on in understanding this stage of the U.S. economy. The first force is the financial aspect, focusing on whether the country is earning more than it is spending and building savings. It is crucial to analyze whether the country is accumulating debt or generating wealth. This is important at both an individual and country level because the country's financial status is a reflection of its people. Currently, the U.S. is spending more than it is earning, leading to the production of a significant amount of debt. This excessive spending and debt creation result in the printing of more money, which in turn leads to inflation and a devaluation of the currency. As a result, holding cash or bonds becomes less attractive and interest rates rise, leading to a stagflation scenario. The second force to consider is the internal conflict within the country. Are people united and working towards a common mission, or are they at odds with each other? When the causes that individuals support become more important than the system itself, the system is at risk. This can lead to disorder and potentially even civil war. We are currently witnessing a growing polarity in politics, with increasing populism on both ends of the political spectrum. Moderates are leaving the system, and the fight for extremes intensifies. The third force is the rise of a great power, particularly in relation to China and Russia. As the power of a country diminishes, there is room for a rising power to make its move. The competition between dominant world powers can manifest in various ways, such as trade wars, technology wars, geopolitical influence wars, capital wars, and even military conflicts. The geopolitical landscape is currently evolving, with China and Russia being perceived as competitors to the United States. The Chinese and Russian governments believe that the U.S. is containing their growth and influence, leading to tensions and conflicts. The United States, in response, uses economic sanctions as a form of warfare, impacting the value of the dollar and potentially threatening its status as the world's reserve currency. In terms of potential conflicts, Taiwan is a crucial point to watch. A major conflict over Taiwan could be a significant trigger for further escalations and risks. It is important to monitor the geopolitical developments and how countries align themselves with each other. The world is currently divided into allies and adversaries, and the positions countries take can provide insight into potential future conflicts. Now let's discuss how individuals can navigate these challenges, particularly in an inflationary environment. Holding cash and traditional bonds is not advisable, as they lose value due to inflation. Instead, diversifying one's portfolio and considering inflation-protected assets is recommended. This can include assets like gold, precious metals, and inflation-indexed bonds. Cryptocurrencies can also be part of a diversified portfolio, but it is essential not to overly concentrate one's investments in any single asset class. Geographic diversification is another important consideration. Investing solely in U.S. assets may not be the best strategy, as certain regions within the U.S. may face more challenges than others. Some areas, like New York City, Chicago, and San Francisco, have experienced increased violence and social unrest. People are relocating to safer and more stable areas like Texas and Florida. Investing in countries with strong financials, civil unity, and minimal risks of war can also be beneficial. In conclusion, the U.S. economy is currently in a stage of significant internal conflict and challenges. It is crucial to understand the dynamics of the financial, internal conflict, and geopolitical forces at play. By diversifying portfolios, considering inflation-protected assets, and exploring geographic diversification, individuals can better navigate these risks and challenges. Stay informed, be proactive, and make informed decisions to secure your financial future.